Saturday in quarantine, and I'm trying to think just things to kill time. And I've had this idea about dyeing a pair of Air Forces, just dip dyeing, nothing crazy. And I have actually a pair of the Rocafella Air Forces, and I'm like, you know what? Let's dye them. Now I just gotta figure out where they are. This might take a while.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
And boom. There we go. So pretty. So pretty. Let's go do some work. With the Rocafella on the inside. Now it's prep time. Alright, so these are all acetone and prepped and whatnot. Gonna get my gloves, got myself some Angelus dye, got the sink. We're gonna make a mess, so yeah, definitely need gloves. This is what happens when you put a size small glove on an extra large paw. The last thing I wanna do is have blue hands, looking like a Smurf for a week. Now we're putting hot water in here, and we gotta do enough so I can submerge the shoes. I'm doing it in the tub because I don't want to turn the sink blue and have my wife murder me. Now I'm gonna sit here for about 20 minutes filling this up, but I won't put you through that, don't worry.
A few moments later.
Here we go. At this point, I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just kind of winging it, dipping in and out, waiting until it gets darker. No idea, no expectations. Kind of already see. It's the point where I'm like, oh Lord, what did I do to these shoes? Now it's just trying to figure out a way to salvage it. Yeah, so now we have to boil. So now we're just gonna put them here to dry. And pray that I can figure out what to do with these things. And now, this is the point where I'm hoping that the hot water will take off any excess dye and make it better. Not so much. This was something you should never do. Just dumping dye. I knew there was nothing else I could do here, so I was just gonna have fun with it and just start dumping dye, whatever, see what happened. Now we gotta clean the sink.
Meanwhile,
Bloop. All done. You can kind of see how the fibers and different materials take the color. It's all the same shade. But the cotton lace take that, the leather takes it like that. This is just a splatter straight up leather dye. So, let this dry for a couple hours. I'll probably paint the white inside the Rocafella. So, we'll be back. Definitely in a few hours.
80,000 impressions later.
As I expected, waiting a couple more hours didn't make them look any better. So we're just gonna paint these Rocafellas and hopefully it makes it look better. It looks a little better with the logos. Now you just leave them dry overnight so we can finish up and lace them up.
Day 2.
Next morning, got my iced coffee, throw the laces in, throw the insoles in, and that is all she wrote. definitely not to my standards, but hey, not even Jordan made every shot he took. Not at all what I was expecting, but hey, it killed a day in quarantine, so it's a win for me. Still had fun. Alright, do I like how they came out? No. Hell no. But it gave me something to do yesterday. You win some, you lose some. Even I mess up. Alright, I'm gonna go set these on fire. I'll probably wear them if I had some grass to mow, or want to play Blues Clues or Sully from Monsters Inc. Yeah,